Greetings, quick view, Saturday, August 13th, 2022. I just did simple hands here holding the handles of the RPG. Just outline, shadow indicated with some simple parallel lines using a soft number 3 pencil. I was inspired by this 3 drawings I did for an art class assignment when I was, I think this is 1968. I would have been a senior in high school. Russell was 67. Each one's in my right hand. I like this one the most. This one I'm holding a bottle of India ink, which hasn't changed a bit in 55 years in terms of what bottled India ink looks like. This one I wrote NG. Arrow, I didn't like how that one turned out. Probably for no good, although perhaps I was foreseeing the future, and it was like no gefilte. How so? Grandma Lily, my father's mother, made gefilte fish from scratch, from live carp, I assume she kept in her bathtub in her apartment in Upper Manhattan on West 176th Street. I thought gefilte fish was repulsive. I didn't eat it as a child, adolescent, or teen. By the time I started eating gefilte fish, Grandma left this world around 1975 or so. All right, there you have it. To be continued.